Hello and welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you something crazy. It's about 1 minute painting challenge. So I have here my timer. As you can see, I am starting with zero and I'm using these five colors. It is black, dark green, orange, red, and yellow. Just watch, relax, and enjoy. I'm gonna start in one, two, three, game. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game, 1 minute. Okay, so we have here an autumn tree. I cannot call this a realistic art because it doesn't fulfill the realistic details. So I'm gonna call this abstract autumn tree. Hope you enjoy and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.